Alright guys, so this is a 2008 DR650. It's got about 920 miles on it. It's bone stock minus the IMS fuel tank. I do have some peg lowering kits, oversized handlebars that have been raised, they're a little taller and raised up. And then I've got the little trash can fairing thing on there, keep the wind off my chest. So I put these Tusk DSport tires on there, and they seem to run out really well everywhere. I'm running stock tire pressure, 22 in the front, 25 in the rear. My only issue is when I get on the highway speeds, I get a speed wobble, and if I don't let out of the throttle, it just feels like the wobble will just amplify and probably eventually throw me off the bike. So I always slow down. The other night I did go through and I set up my rear sag, and I've got it set to, kind of a recommended specification of 1/3 of suspension travel. My free sag with just the bike sitting there is about 1 5/16 or so. So I think my spring rate on the rear shock is probably fine for my weight. But I'm going to try to capture this speed wobble. So we'll go get on the highway. Video. I know the wobble will show up and be obvious, but when I sit in my normal riding position on the seat is when I get a lot of wobble. I was trying to show if I slid back, it would smooth out and go away, but we'll just have to wait and see how it works. Alright guys, so there it is. Hopefully that was obvious. I'll post a little picture of my suspension measurements and stuff as I was adjusting. I did have to go about 10 turns stiffer on my rear spring to get it into that acceptable sag setting. Let me know what you guys think. The one day that I rode this on off pavement, we did some gravel roads, a little bit of like dirt trail mud type stuff. I had these stock TrailWing tires on here and they were terrible, so that's why I went with these. Tusk just released these, and I've read some other reviews from other riders that they're super stable at speed and everything, and I think they would be. I think it's something with my bike. I just need to figure out what's going on.